Somewhere in our galaxy, there is a star so enormous, if it replaced our sun, Earth wouldn't just burn, it would completely disappear. This star is called UY Scuti. It's one of the largest stars humanity has ever discovered, a red supergiant, burning near the end of its life. To understand how big this star really is, imagine placing it at the center of our solar system, right where the sun is now. Mercury would be gone instantly. Venus would vanish, Earth and Mars wouldn't stand a chance, all erased inside a single glowing sphere of gas. Even Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, would be swallowed whole. And Saturn would be almost completely inside the star, its rings torn apart and dissolved. UY Scuti is so massive that light itself takes more than 7 hours just to travel around its surface. For comparison, light crosses Earth in a fraction of a second. But here's the twist. Despite its size, UY Scuti is not strong. Its gravity is weak. Its outer layers are barely holding together. The star is constantly shedding huge amounts of material into space, slowly tearing itself apart, losing mass every single moment it shines. Stars this large live fast and die young. UY Scuti is already unstable, drifting closer to its final collapse. In the universe, the biggest giants are often the most fragile. And one day, even this star will disappear. And the scariest part? This star exists right now.